Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DOHAAROMA. Today I will show how can you make a healthy and tasty mixed fruit juice. Now let's get started. Best method to peel pomegranate easily. Do like this too everywhere. Now cut the pomegranate like this. See how easily pomegranate seeds come out. I am using 1 pomegranate, 1 apple. Cut and peel the skin off. Pinch of ginger and 1 carrot. I am using Philips juicer and jar. You can use a mixer grinder and strain juice by strainer also. Firstly, I am putting carrot and one by one add everything. Next I am adding pomegranate. Put juice in the glass. Add pinch of black salt. Mix it well. Now ready for serve healthy and tasty mixed fruit juice. Do try and comment below in the comment box. Subscribe to my YouTube channel DOHAAROMA and hit the bell button. Thank you so much.